This is our Hardinge DSM-59 hand screw machine, or second operation lathe. It's got an assortment of collets. It's got tooling for the double acting cross. It's got a standard turret. It's a super precision machine. It's the later model. It's got the red e-stop button showing that it is newer. It also has cooling. We're going to run it for you now. First, the manual side, indexing the turret. Slide. Forward, reverse. I should say forward and low. Increasing speed. Slower. High range. Faster. Lower. Reverse. Low range, reverse. Forward. Slowing it down again. Going faster. This is our Hardinge second op lathe. Thank you for watching our video.